These potatoes have been on their way out for a couple of weeks. This one still looks pretty good. We might wait a few more days on that one. But these had stopped growing a while ago. And these. So they got attacked by some fungal stuff, and then beetles came in. Oh, there's a potato.
Good for it?
Mm-hmm. I'm just going to pull the plant. Oh. There we go. Pull the plant, sweet potato. Watch the worms. Don't take the worms with you. There you go. Put that on the, just put it next to you. Put it down. No, put it down.
It's in the hole.
No, put it in the thing. Here. Just put it here. Some more potatoes. Still some, oh, there's one.
That's a big one.
Mm-hmm. There's another one. And some baby ones. Keep those in the ground and they'll grow us new potatoes. Any more? Nope, there's the seed potato rotting away. Don't pick that. There's some baby potatoes that will grow more potatoes in the future. All right, let's put that aside and replant it after we finish. Okay, here we go. We'll pull up this one now. Oops, let's get this out of, back in the basket. Down.
Oh, that one. Oh, that one's huge. This one's huge.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think there's any potatoes in here.
I think so. They're just hiding.
Oh, that's a big one.
Okay.
Oh, this one's huge.
Oh, nice, nice. Put it down. Yay. Just put it next to you. Get the others.
Okay.
Just leave it there on the dirt.
On the dirt?
Yeah.
Yes.
No, there's not a good one.
Ah, oh, that one fell out.
Yeah, that's okay. That means it's ready. Oops.
How much potato?
Don't get the baby.
One.
Yep, there's another baby.
I don't think there's more.
No? Okay. Well, when there's big ones, there's usually not that many more. Nope, that's the, wait a minute. That's a yellow potato. How did we get a red potato? Is that the other potato? Is that the seed? Or is that a good potato? Nope, that's a seed potato. Still very firm. So the yellow potato didn't grow anything. That's weird.
What about these?
Hold on a second. Make sure there's nothing under there. Nope, guess not.
No potatoes.
Oh, there's a red potato way down deep. Oh boy, we're gonna have a lot of volunteer potatoes in here. Just finding random potatoes at the bottom. Well, let's see where the rest of that purple potato came from. Let's see, is this the purple potato plant? Nope.
Oh!
Nope. That's the seed potato. Don't touch that one. There's a lot of worms. Oh, there they are. Purple potatoes. That was the purple potato plant.
Why does this look like an eggplant?
Look at those giant worms. Holy moly.
Oh, jeez. I don't even like touching worms.
There's more red potatoes.
Oh, jeez. I don't like worms. I don't want to touch it.
Okay. Let's get the potatoes.
Whoa!
You're wearing gloves.
I don't like worms.
Okay.
How is
There's a lot of baby potatoes in this one.
Why do we need worms?
Bigger. They chew up the soil, which makes it available for the plant.
And they're
This one has
dirt makes it. These are lots. How are we gonna even put these in the car?
Oh, we gotta find the purple ones. Those are harder to find. Yes. You can start putting that in the cart.
Okay. We're gonna put the purple ones in first.
Whichever.
They're trying to roll away. Oh. They almost fell into the holes.
Mm-hmm. All right, I think that's it for here.
Hmm.
Okay. All right, that's it for the potatoes in this container. All right, let's bury back the plant and let the babies continue on the next generation. Uh-oh,
These
it's
one.
starting to
This one
rain.
is really.
Oh no.
Good thing I bring my rain jacket.
Well, yeah, but the camera isn't rainproof, so come on, hurry up. We gotta go inside.
You gotta help. No, no.
Okay, I'll get these. All right, go ahead, go inside.
Okay.
That's all the potatoes we're getting today.
Bye, guys.
Started
Bye, bye.
reading prematurely.
I'm gonna go quick. 3. I'm gonna be. Who's the guy who's really fast?
There's a lot of people who are really fast.
No, the guy in the movie.
Bolt? No, that's the dog.
Flash.
No, Flash, right.
Flash,
Ah, dang it. No, it's raining.